For 2022, guys, this Hyundai Kona SE was refreshed. Many people like the 2021 model, but let me know in the comments if you like this 2022, the new face. Spare tire and its tools. No power trunk. Pretty good space here. Nothing in here. Unfortunately, no pockets. Pretty empty here. Rev limiter. So this 2022 Hyundai Kona SE starts around 21,000 MSRP, guys. And let's see what we get for the value. First of all this is made of plastic. Mostly everything's made out of plastic here. And cloth. You got our dashboard, speedometer, our drive info, accumulated info, our tire pressure, attention level, our user settings, which has ton of options to choose from: cluster, lights, door, convenience, units. Infotainment. This does come with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, wireless too, but I always hook it up just to have the audio quality the best. No lights. Get a handbrake. See the reverse camera. Not the best res, but you get trajectory lines, which is very nice. Some cars don't have trajectory lines at these price points. Let's scroll down here to the infotainment, phone, voice menu, quiet mode, radio setup. It's quite responsive too. I don't know if you guys like this plastic as well. So let's take this on a drive and see how it does. We have our drive mode as well. We got smart, sport, and normal. Let's put it on sport. This is pretty slow. It has 147 horsepower and 32 pound-feet of torque, but still pretty fast. We got two USBs here and a 12 volt. AC controls. Very plain and simple. Start, auto stop button here. And that's the only buttons we have. This has a IVT transmission, which is similar to a CVT. Just Hyundai calls it IVT for intelligent variable transmission. And it's a front wheel drive. Let's try the honk test right now. Not so loud that you could expect from a $20,000 car. And let's see how this Kona drives. Definitely feels very smooth. I don't hear tons of road noise. Let's do an acceleration here. Picks up pretty decent, not so fast like I said, but gas mileage is where this car shines on. Lane keep assist. Let's put it on steering assist. Here we go, steering assist active. And I feel like this steering assist is right on point. Hyundai does a really good job with their steering assist. As you can see, guys, it's literally driving by itself. Very nice. I like the blind spot monitor it has here. It's not really a monitor, it's like another mirror. But he only has it on one side. I wish it would have had it on the other side. Let's test the audio system. Audio system sounds very nice, guys. For a cheap car, the sound system sounds amazing. I'm really impressed by the speakers and quality, and that rich bass too. It sounds very, very nice. I didn't expect this from a $21,000 car. Wow. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.